Civil engineering has changed the way that humans live and interact with the world around them. Bridges, roads, buildings, and dams are just some of the many examples of the potential work that civil engineers can achieve. Civil engineers operate in diverse locations and conditions. Through calculations and precise technical drawings, engineers are able to account for effects such as wind, rain, forces, and how they will affect infrastructures such as bridges and buildings. However, with natural disasters such as earthquakes, civil engineers are faced with the challenge of trying to provide infrastructures that won't fail in such events. As such, earthquake engineering is a particular field that interests many civil engineers. During earthquakes, buildings move up, down, left and right, and this combination of events causes a twist in the buildings. Engineers aim to design buildings which are able to move with vibrations caused by the earthquakes. A method that engineers have come up with is to integrate dampers into the design of the building. During an earthquake, there is a lot of energy and force being applied to the building. This energy is usually in the form of kinetic and potential energy. Dampers work by dissipating some of the vibration energy and transforming it into heat, or transferring it to the rest of the structure. An example of a commonly used damper is a friction damper. The simplest friction damper is constructed from a set of steel plates which are bolted together. At high forces such as during a severe earthquake, the plates are able to slide over each other, thus creating friction. Seismic energy is spent in overcoming friction in the contact surfaces. The dampers are usually installed between walls or columns. Research is constantly being carried out to ensure that existing and future structures are able to withstand the forces of earthquakes, such as base isolation, which involves constructing a building away from the ground and placing the foundation on flexible pads. This means that during an earthquake, the structure won't move as much.
Created using Powtoon.